Hi, so I am Firdos Varyava, the owner of a 100-year-old company called Bharat Floorings, which makes only cement products. Today we have this beautiful green, then we have this buttercup yellow, we have this lovely peach pigment. Now what I'm going to be teaching you is a couple of techniques that are really versatile. You can use them with any mold, you can use them with pretty much any container in fact, and you can make some really beautiful effects with these techniques. I'm going to use this beautiful tray mold. So I'm going to pour a little bit of this golden glitter. So that as I start spooning in the cement, it will first dissolve really easily. What we really want is to get this kind of creamy texture. As you'll see here, I'm going to pour it out onto this tray. Now as you can see, I'm getting this beautiful marbled effect. So basically the shaking will give it a self level. Now just leave that undisturbed for the next 1 or 2 days and you'll have a lovely tray to end with.